Invalid http_host header. I am trying to develop a website using Django framework and launched using digitalocean.com and deployed the necessary files into Django project. I had to include static files into Django project, and after collecting static files, I tried to refresh my IP. I am including the tutorials which I have used to create the website. This URL. I am getting the following error.
The error log is straightforward. As it suggested, you need to add 198.211.99.20 to your allowed_host setting. In your project settings.py file, set allowed_hosts like this. For further reading, read from here.
Settings.py. Don't do this in production if you are not using Docker, just put the IP address.
In your project settings.py file, set allowed_host like this. And then restart your Apache. In Ubuntu.
You can add allowed_hosts to your settings file or in file.
If no other answer work, you can try modifying manage.py and add this 3 lines. To end up having something like this. As it is explained in this post, how to solve the domain name provided is not valid according to RFC 1034-1035 in Django during development.
Responsible battle, practices sign.